Hello and welcome. So today I'm making a bit of a cheap meal. It's batura and chole. I like this organic brown chole rather than the white one with which usually chole and bature. The bature, the chole which goes with the bature is made with white kabuli chana, but I'm not using that. I'm using this organic brown chickpeas, and this is organic tatwas, organic refined wheat flour, that is maida, organic maida. And I have kneaded it with curd and kept it. Now I'm going to make the batura and the chole, and I've also ground the spices, a lot of it, and the rest of the spice I'm going to make the masala, that is, usual stuff. And I'm going to add some spinach also to the chole just to make it a little healthier, because my hemoglobin is below normal. So I have tempered the mustard seeds. Now I'm going to add the oil. I've added the oil. Now I'm going to add, put the fire back on and put in the chickpeas, and then add the masala, and go step by step. So now, the chickpeas have gone in, the salt, the spices, and I'll start cooking it. And in the meantime, I'll add the ground, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, and other things that I add in the chickpea that I'm going to grind and put it in this. And then, it cooks at every stage. So stage 1 of cooking is spices, chickpea, salt, and I'll put a little bit of asafoetida powder, that is kayam podi in Malayalam and hing in Hindi. So that also to cut the flatulence or any kind of gas issues that chickpea can cause. So a little bit of asafoetida goes into this, and then I'll start the first step of cooking. So that's the asafoetida powder that I've put in, and now I will be pressure cooking this for 5 minutes. In the meantime, the masala will get ready. So I've taken 4 large tomatoes, and I'm going to chop that first and put it into this ground spices. This is the usual ground spices that I take, that is clove, cinnamon, organic black cardamom, then a bit of caraway seeds, ajwain, or aimodagam in Malayalam, ajwain in Hindi, aimodagam in Malayalam, and all those kind of, the general spice mix that I use. I've showed it to you many times. So that is this. I'm going to add a little bit of nigella seeds, that is kalonji in Hindi, and then I'm going to add the tomatoes. So the only extra spice I'm going to add over here is kalonji, because this spice mix that I've made I use for tea also. Therefore, I didn't put the nigella seeds in this, the kalonji or the nigella seeds. And now I will be adding it here. Actually, I added 2 spices. Cumin is also one thing that I don't add in my regular spice mix that I make and keep, because that spice mix I put into tea, and cumin I don't add into it much. And this is the black seeds are nigella seeds, which are called which are called kalonji in Hindi. And so that is these are the 2 extra things that I always add in any kind of chole curry. If it is mallu kadla curry, then this you don't add, but I'm making it in a very North Indian way. Whenever I start grinding masala, I always add the tomatoes first, because it adds the water content for other ingredients to get ground. And the coriander seed powder is over, so I just remembered, and I've put in a few coriander seeds, just a bit, and 1.5 tablespoons of it. And then now this all will get ground to a fine paste with ginger, garlic, 2 onions, and curry leaves. So this is going to be going to the I'm going to grind this all, 2 onions, ginger, garlic, and the last thing is curry leaves. There's a ad in India where a grandmother is saying, "Bahu, South Indian hogi to chole mein curry patta degi." It's exactly like that. I use curry leaves in chole. I mean, I make it. It's like an amalgamation of kadla curry and chole, and it's fusion cooking. So, and curry leaves are very good for your hair growth. And since all my hair is gone because of the chemo, I really need to work on it for it to come back. So this is the ground paste. Now I'm going to add it to the semi-cooked chickpeas. So this is half done. I'm going to put the masala into this and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. So this, as I always say, the masala, I put a lot of vitamin C into any protein I make most of the time. That is because our body needs vitamin C to absorb the protein, and therefore I put 4 big large tomatoes. And this is the this is one black cardamom I've added just for flavor and aroma. It gives a very distinct aroma. It's a very North Indian thing, black cardamom, and that is organic black cardamom. So this will cook for another half an hour till it becomes nice and soft, and this all the flavors come together. So this is going to go in for half an hour, and it will be the next step. So here goes. So this is nearly done. The masala is really nicely cooked, but now I'm going to add this spinach. I washed it. Now I'm going to roughly chop it and put it to this to increase the iron content of this dish. It's gone way off chole curry, but my hemoglobin levels are low. Therefore, I have to eat iron rich food. That is, I'm incorporating ragi flour, that is rye flour, and other iron rich food into my diet. So that's why at this stage I'm adding spinach to this chole or chickpea curry or kadla curry, like you call it in Malayalam. So I roughly chop this using kitchen scissors. Now I'm going to cook this for some more time and it will be done. So this is extra healthy chole curry. I mean extra healthy chickpea curry, and it's partially cheat because I'm going to eat this with, pair it with bhature. So that's the thing. So this is done fully, and it's become a nice thick gravy, and I took a taste test. It's really very tasty, and so this is done, and it's very healthy because it's got spinach in it, palak. So it's chole, healthy chole with palak in it. It's healthy chickpeas with spinach in it, and it's healthy kadla curry with chira in it. I don't know what spinach is called in Malayalam. I only know it's some chira. You know, chira is like green leafy vegetable, one of them. So this is healthy, very healthy, full of vitamin C, in like vitamin C infused, iron infused kind of chickpea curry. Chez moi, because it is everything. I have to really, I've got 7 days to pick up my hemoglobin level, which is 11 now. Minimum is 12. So the whole thing is geared towards prepping my body for the next second dose of chemo, which is round 2 of chemo. So this is the last one being made, and so these are the bhaturas. They have fluffed up quite well. This is the remaining oil that is left, and I made it in 2 batches. I mean, like kept it in 2 separate places. So this is another round lot. I made it a little brown because I overcooked the food, but it's nice and tasty. I took a taste test, and so these are the baturas which I will be eating with a very healthy spinach and tomato infused chickpea chole, that is kadla curry in Malayalam. So this is my video for today. Thank you for viewing. Bye and take care.